How to change your Threads username. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Threads on your device. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you're in your profile, simply click on Instagram icon at the top. Also, keep that in mind. If you go to edit profile and change, you won't be able to change in Threads. So click on the Instagram icon at the top right. In here, click on edit profile. After you click on edit profile in your Instagram, simply click on username and then change your username. After you're done, press on the tick mark at the top right. After you have done that, you can simply go back to Threads, reload the page, and your username will be changed as well. This is how to change your Threads username. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.